So we are currently working on a trip to Newfoundland. Newfoundland. And this is how we start an adventure. We watch other people's videos, we do research, we have our maps out, we write down lots of notes, and then we pick and choose what is our kind of adventure. We take into consideration beautiful camp spots, pricing, and then where our Jeep can go and not go, which a Jeep can go anywhere. So Grossmore National Park.
It's here. We're coming here. What time are we going to get here?
So we're estimated to get to Gross about 2:30, so we need to find a camp spot around that area. A lot of work goes into planning a trip of this magnitude. We say it's this magnitude. We feel like we're going into a whole different land.
You're going to a different country and you're being off grid for a week. So you got to be prepared to be off grid, which means you don't have your electronics.
So we're using this app, iOverlander, which Johnny downloaded the newer version or the paid version of it so that we can use it offline. But then he is also doing his research, writing it all down so that we can be very well prepared, because we hear over in Newfoundland there's no service in the areas that we are wanting to explore. Okay, so this is my friend Marilyn. And she's from...
I'm from Nova Scotia, going to Newfoundland.
Wait, your family's from...
My grandparents.
Grandparents.
Both sets of my grandparents come straight from Newfoundland, Jess.
Okay, and Marilyn's been trying to teach me how to say Newfoundland.
Instead of Newfoundland.
I kept saying Newfoundland, and she's like, it's Newfoundland, and I'm about got it down. How do you say it? Newfoundland?
Newfoundland.
I got these bags off of Amazon, and it's to help us stay organized in the Jeep. So far, they're working fabulous. Look, everything has its own color. It's gonna have its own bag. I'm so excited. So we have had a full day of packing. We've done all of our planning. He did work. It was his last day of work, so yay! So now we get to take off on our grand adventure to
Newfoundland.
Newfoundland! Yay! So we're gonna hit the sack and get up super early in the morning and get the miles on the road. So good night! So we are off on our Newfoundland trip. Newfoundland. We're so excited. So we are currently at the border. So we have found that if you stop in, when you get into Canada, stop at a Walmart. They have an ATM and you can get some of their beautiful Canadian money so that we could spend Canadian money here. We got $200 out and it cost us
63 with the conversion rate.
So that's a pretty good deal. Now let's go shopping. So I am totally one of those kind of people who will chase down the largest axe in the world just for a picture. Look, we found the largest axe. One of our favorite campgrounds here in Nova Scotia. We have now stayed here twice and we love it. And do you know why we love it? Look at that sunset. It is amazing. So the name of it is High Class Campground. And how much was it tonight?
It is $32.
$32 for this view. Amazing.